Hi everyone, today I'm going to cook grilled scallop and stir fry bean sprout. For the ingredient I have bean sprout, garlic, celery and leek. Also scallop. And over here also sliced ginger and garlic for the grilled scallop. Okay, and right now I'm going to marinate the scallop first by adding garlic and ginger. Also add olive oil. Add some salt, some black pepper, and I also put some dry herb. And after that, just mix everything together. And then leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, and right now I'm going to cook the scallop inside the oven about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and right now I'm going to cook the bean sprout while I'm waiting for the scallop. In the hot pan, add some olive oil. And then add some garlic. Okay, now add cut celery inside. Put cut leek inside. Add a little bit salt. Add some sugar cane. Add a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, and now it's time to add bean sprout. Add some sesame oil. Okay, right now stir fry bean sprout is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and put in the serving plate. Okay, and for the grilled scallop, all are also done, so I'm going to prepare on the serving plate. Okay, right now it's time to enjoy my food. Thank you everyone for watching my recipe. If you are enjoy watching my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more video.